All right, I want to talk to you about GFCI and AFCI. That's ground fault circuit interrupter and arc fault circuit interrupter. In your homes, you're usually going to have both nowadays. And sometimes you'll even have combos where you have a circuit breaker or an outlet that performs both. And how it works is pretty simple. GFCIs, or ground fault circuit interrupters, are designed to help you from getting shocked or electrocuted. And how it works is actually pretty simple. When that GFCI detects a difference in current between neutral and hot, that means that some of that current is taking a different path, and that path could be your body. And so that GFCI trips to shut off the circuit so that way you won't get injured. Generally speaking, GFCIs are set up so that they trip at 5 milliamps, which is a level that the human body would generally produce. A circuit breaker, which a lot of people believe is there to protect you, really is only there to prevent fires. Because even the smallest circuit breakers in your home, which would be 15 amps, are nowhere near low enough to protect the human body. So the GFCI is there to protect you, your loved ones, animals, things like that from getting shocked. AFCI is arc fault circuit interrupter. And where GFCI are generally located in wet or damp environments like bathrooms, kitchens, garages, lanais, porches, things like that, AFCI is generally going to be located in occupied areas, areas like bedrooms. And the purpose of an AFCI is to detect an arc. So when there is an arc or a spark, there's a particular electrical sine wave, a particular signal that can be produced and detected by this arc fault, and it will shut the circuit down. So often you'll find nuisances when you are plugging in a vacuum or things like that to an arc fault where it will tend to trip because electric motors are more likely to have sparks contained within them, or it will give that signal. So sometimes that can be a nuisance, but arc faults are there to prevent continuing arcing, which could cause fires in your home. GFCIs are there to protect you as a homeowner. In both cases, you don't want to keep just resetting them if they keep tripping. Reset it once. If it continues, then you either want to address what was plugged in that could be causing the problem, like maybe if it was a toaster or a vacuum cleaner or whatever you were using, that could potentially be an issue and could be unsafe. Or it could be something with the underlying electrical system, especially if nothing's plugged in at the time that it's tripping. And that's when you would want to hire an electrician in to come look at that for you. So that's it. AFCI protects from arcs and sparks. GFCI protects you from getting shocked.